viewers, this is Hello IT World Learning Tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to check columns and rows dataset in Jupyter Interactive Computing environment with Python. See, let's go to the the interactive computing notebook or platform. I want to check the things. I will show you from the beginning. So here the import file that I have been import, and here the dataset. My previous video has been clear. Here this dataset I have shown, or I have retrieved from this page, and this dataset I will work, and here I want to check the row and data. So here the things, see, I can check from the here rows and 704 rows as well as the 21 columns. See, and also I can check from the what data dot info what have. There have everything. How many columns? There have range index, their entities as well as this and the columns. See, these thing columns and this thing, and also memory uses. We can get the due types. There have float types, integer type as well as the object type. See, all these things I can check from this command. See, and also I can check how many rows as how many columns here. So in this way we can do these things. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel. Hopefully this tutorial will help you so much.